Today let's make Mangalore style silver fish curry. You need to wash and clean the silver fish and keep it aside. Now to a blender add short red chilies, dry red chilies, add grated coconut, add roasted cumin seeds, roasted coriander seeds, onions, add tamarind, ginger, garlic. Then you need roasted methi seeds, add peppercorns, add turmeric powder and blend it into a smooth paste and keep it aside. Now take a pot which you're making the fish curry, add the blended paste to it without turning on the flame, add in chopped onions, check for the salt, add in little water because curry means you need to add water to this consistency. Add curry leaves and then switch on the flame. Cover it with the lid till the gravy boils like this so that the raw smell goes. Once the gravy comes to a boil, take the silverfish and slowly start dropping the silverfish one by one. Please don't overcrowd it, otherwise the fish tend to break and spread all over. So the silverfish doesn't take a long time to cook, it just takes 5 minutes. Once you drop the silverfish into the fish curry, just coat it with the masala, and you need to slowly move the spoon. If you move the spoon too much, then the fish tends to break. While our fish curry is boiling, one tip is close the lid like this half. If you close the lid completely, the curry boils and comes out. To avoid that, let the lid be half closed like this. Now let's make a tasty tadka. Here I've taken coconut oil. You can take the oil of your choice and add in chopped onions and fry the onions till it is dark brown, just like the biryani one. So dark brown. Once the onion turns dark brown, add it to the fish curry, and then you can check for the salt and slowly give a good mix. Otherwise the fish tends to break. Check for the salt at this stage, and enjoy with hot brown rice. Enjoy.